widely known as Karyuri. His full names are Itanshaka Bright. He was born on 8th October 2012 in Bugesera district, Kanazi village, located in the eastern part of Rwanda. Because of the life struggle, poverty, survival, and the hustle for a better tomorrow, Karyuri was abandoned by his mother when he was a baby. She left him at his grandmother's home and became a prostitute far from their home village. She never looked back until she brought Karyuri's sister years later. Karyuri has two siblings, hardly seen at home. The eldest is currently a street boy, whereas the youngest is being raised by their grandmom together with Karyuri. His name Karyuri has a special meaning. Their warm-hearted grandmom called him Karyugahawe, meaning eat what you are given, abbreviated as Karyuri. As Karyuri was peacefully growing at his grandmother's home, Safi Munanira, their neighbor, became his closest friend. This young man is the one behind Karyuri's fame. He turned his sadness and loneliness into a bloom of happiness.
Karyuri namubonye ni 2019 cyagihe mwamwicaye mutegereje kwiga university.
Oh, now you may wonder, how did this happen? When Safi was into his school holidays, he wanted to do something funny and learn different dance moves. While in his training, he could see Karyuri's look, curiosity, and willingness to do the same. That's how they started training together. They danced and danced to different melodies. Safi realized that the kid is gifted with a flexible body that can easily go with any proposed move of the dance. After a few days, Karyuri became really good at various dance moves, even better than his trainer, Safi. He said in an interview that he was never jealous but rather proud of Karyuri's achievements. Till now, he's the manager and his close friend. We all wonder how this little kid became famous and attracted the attention of all of us. Let's briefly talk about how this happened. One day, when Karyuri was in the dance training, Safi used his smartphone to record a video that he posted on his social media platforms. That's when many people got surprised by meticulous moves danced by Karyuri. They started asking him different questions about the kid and how he got to know all those moves. That's when Safi confirmed it was not his eyes lying, but rather that has been training with a gifted kid that can even get further if supported. Later on, he shot and posted a video of Karyuri dancing a popular song called Babalao from the famous East African artist and dancer Diamond Platnumz. It was to their surprise that when Diamond saw the video, he posted it on his social media. This attracted the attention of many of Diamond's followers who shared the video all over, turning Karyuri into a superstar. Not only Diamond posted Karyuri, but also did some of other world's greatest artists when they saw video of this amazing kid dancing their songs. Among them there is Jason Derulo, Justin Bieber, and others. In his homeland, Rwanda, he was very much appreciated by the renowned artist Medi the day he danced his song We Don't Care, featured by RJ the DJ and Ray Vani. Now that I'm recording this biography, his name is widely expanding globally, especially in East Africa, where a lot of people from different countries want to know more about this kid whose dancing is transforming his life miraculously. At 8, he was never attended school, but his gift will now be paying for the fees, as Medi, the artist, promised him to take care of that from the day he danced We Don't Care. Karyuri has now been able to enjoy different plays and games as other children from richer background, and he will continue to grow bigger talent-wise if he keeps the momentum. You may have wondered if Karyuri's mother is aware of the popularity of her child. The answer is yes, she does. But she does not see it as a big deal. His grandmother rather gets overwhelmed when she sees his grandson growing popular and never stop praising artists, journalists, and everyone who played a huge role in helping his grandchild become popular. this was a brief biography about the famous young man Karyuri, whom you have always seen on social media. I can't thank you enough for watching this story. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Issa Noel. This is Maximed TV. We link you up with the world. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Maximed TV for more updates.
Really good. Really good.
Come karate, 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 musta, karate, no, what's a karate, 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 sa karate, katala, katala, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nene, alaza, this is Jaco, master, Rashumiko, karate, master, karate, no, what's a karate, 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 katala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nene, that's all. This is Jaco, master. Pata. My name is Karyuri.